I'm Dr. Riva from Manising. Actually, Manising, a very small city, not in that sense small, but Manising town is a small city. And there is a private medical college. There I'm a doctor in gynae department. Actually, it was my dream to work in fertility center, but it is not possible for me to go Dhaka and take training. Actually, there, you know, everybody that Dhaka is a very crowded city, and they are very tough journey to go Dhaka from Manising. That's why I was not take privilege to take this training to go by through any training from Dhaka. So it is my, I think I'm very lucky to come Dubai to take training as well as shopping, and I'm also lucky to get two great teachers in this session, and great two teachers, yes. And I'm also lucky to take the partner from Bangladesh, from India, from Pakistan, Iran. I'm so lucky to get new friends, as I think it is a new family. And I wish this family continue through media. And I'm inviting all of you, because I work in the medical college, is a remote area, and I wish my great teacher if I invited them to come in my little private medical college and hospital. Thank you very much.